And this, at the end of the day, is our resident possum. I will zoom in so you can see her. She's beautiful. She has a baby that she's bought once to visit us. And this is what I do with our leftover food from dinner and the leftover parrot food, obviously. And I bring it out and I give it to her. She is just beautiful. She's a little bit friendly. This is what we do each night. This is our routine. She comes down and I give her the food. And she enjoys. Are you coming down, darling? Are you going to come down and have some food? It's good. Hop up here. I'll make sure that she gets a good feed. Come on, darling. Are you going to come down? Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. You going to have some food? If I move away, will you come down? Of course you will. Of course you will. Possum, 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 possum. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, and there we go. We have one very happy possum. Up she goes.